Thank you, Tejashri ma'am, for the introductions and welcome all the viewers. And today we will talk about the most confused part, that is the portion size and the serving size. So we have already heard of this term portion size, and our dietitian and our friends and colleagues have already said you have to control your portion size to achieve a certain goal. But sometimes we get confused with the portion size. What is portion size? So we will reveal this topic today. So what portion size is? At a time when you have a certain amount of food on your plate, that is the portion size. So I will tell you, see, we have certain measurements, like we have spoons, जो कि 1/4, half, 3/4, and 1 tablespoon. You can measure from this, and then you have a cups. We have different cups, but most of the people don't have these kinds of measurement, and we faces difficulty in measuring these from the prescribed doses. See, dietitian will prescribe you certain amount of food that you have to have, that certain amount of food, like some 100 grams or 400 grams, 75 grams, 50 grams of egg. So we always get confused, what is 50 grams, what is 65 grams, and what is 100 grams. So I will tell you the basic and the most genuine method of finding the portion weight, and that is present with all of us, and that these are our hands. So we have all the measurements in our hand. We have our fist. So I can measure a 30-gram dal right now in front of you. I have a dry dal, and this is my fist, like a palm, a cup-shaped palm. So when I pour a dry dal in a cup shape of palm, this is 30 grams of dal. So this is a normal serving size of dal which we will recommend you. So when you measure a dal, a fist, a cup of dal, a dry dal is a 30 gram of dal, and when you boil this 30 gram of dal, it will turn out to be a 1 katori of dal. And then there is a consistency. So we will measure, we will tell you you have to take a thick consistency, thin consistency. So this is a medium size of consistency. You can see. So always dietitians or always the health experts will recommend you the consistency of dals. And next then comes a cereal, atta, chawal, poha. That is the difficult part to measure. See, we don't have a measuring scale, but we have a lemon. So हमारे घर में we always have a lemon or a fruit like this kind of size. So a dough of this much size, it roughly measures 30 grams. So when you make a roti out of this size of dough, that this will be a 30 gram of your roti. Clear? So we get a 1 serve of a roti. A single roti is of 30 grams, and if you have a 2 roti, that's a 2 portion of roti. If you have 3 roti, that's a 3 portion of roti. So cereal and pulses. Cereals are atta, rice, poha, which you can measure. These are the anaj, the millets. So you can measure them. And then the pulses jo hai, they will be in a katori. Now we always get confused with katori. How much is 1 katori? So there's a simple trick. If you have a medium size apple or a mausami at your home, and a normal katori. See, normal katori, we will find this size katori at every home. But if you dip this mausami, I have a mausami. So if I dip this mausami inside this katori, so you can check the volume. Half up and half down. This is roughly 125 ml of 125 ml of katori. So if I have a dal inside this katori, a medium consistency of dal in this katori, this is my 125 ml of dal, or a 30 gram of raw dal, or a single portion of a dal. Then you have to make the most confused part: oil, fat, butter, ghee. How will you measure? See, we recommend all to use 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. So if you have normal spoon at your home, this is a teaspoon. So the amount of oil it contains 5 gram of oil. So how to, if suppose I don't have this spoon, but I have this spoon, this is not a teaspoon, so what to do? I will use my thumb. This is my thumb. So the whole part, see, from the palm to the tip, this whole part is 1 tablespoon. This is roughly 15 grams. A thumb, if I put it here, see, a thumb, a tablespoon is equals to 15 gram. And a teaspoon, now a teaspoon. Teaspoon will you can measure from the first box of your thumb or a finger, first box of your finger. It is roughly like this. So you can measure it. So it's a 1 teaspoon of oil. 1 teaspoon of oil is 5 gram of oil, butter. So you can use by measuring your thumb. Now the question arises, how much roti should I eat? How much rice should I take? How much salad? How much fruits? So you have one thing at your home, that is katori. This 125 ml of katori will contain 100 gram of fruit. If I put cut fruits inside this, it will be roughly 100 grams. A bigger size, I can show you. These are 100 grams of fruits. So you have, this is your portion size of a fruit. Then you have a salad. A katori of salad. This is 1 portion of your salad. And this roughly measures 100 grams. So if you weigh it on the weighing scale, it will turn out to be 100 grams. So 100 gram fruits and some salad. This much size roti, it is out of this lemon ball. So this much size of roti is your 30 grams of roti or a single serving. Now how to measure rice? That's a difficult part. You have your fist. You hold your fist like this, and when you keep your fist over the rice, this much rice is 1 cup. So you have to take this much rice for 1 serving, for 1 portion. So this will be your, see, I have a rice here. So it roughly measures, you can measure, it's approximately 1 cup. So it is very easy to measure. You don't need any measuring scales. You can measure it like this. So this is my 1 portion of dal. And now I can make a complete meal in front of you. So this is a complete balanced diet where I measure my carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is rice, या अनाज. You measure the अनाज with your palm. अगर आप इसको ये राइस कैसे बना है, I have already told you कि मैंने राइस लिया अपने कप शेप पाम में, then I put the rice. ये भी मेरे पास दाल है, but आप राइस को भी ऐसे ही डालेंगे, and then boil this. This turns out to be this much. और अब आप फैमिली के लिए बना रहे हैं, if you are making in bulk, then what you have to take? You have to take this much. Single roti. This is approximately 30 grams of roti, 100 grams of fruits जो हमने बताया, that is आपने एक bowl लिया और इस bowl की जो capacity है that is 100 grams. 125 से 175 ml की कटोरियां होती हैं. This goes to my plate. Then there's a salad. Actually 100 gram salad और bulk में होता है, it will be around 50 grams. So salad, and then there's a कड़ी, ये कड़ी है, this is also 125 ml. This makes a wholesome meal for a person. Now what to do? You can squeeze one lemon, so addition क्या हो जाएगा? You can get the vitamin C. You can add veggies here. तो यहाँ पे आपने अगर vegetables हैं तो आपके पास एक bowl और big bowl जो है वो vegetables का होना चाहिए. So that's make a portion. Now we get confused how much plate, how to measure our plate. See, we have this plate, we all have this plate and this size plate at our home. We normally find this. Now how to measure it? You don't want to go to any dietitian, or you don't want to WhatsApp the picture of the plate. What you do, you have your fingers. So 3 fingers inside and 1 little finger up and a thumb down. So this is your scale. If the plate goes beyond this scale, beyond this measurement, अगर ये इससे बाहर जा रहा है, तो this is a full plate. And then अगर ये पूरा measurement बैठता है, ये single little finger and the thumb, so this is a half plate. And then if you want to measure a quarter plate, तो ये quarter plate आपके thumb से छोटी होगी. So this is 10 inches, 8 inches and 6 inches. So this is your portion. If you are taking this much quantity of rice, अगर हम इस पूरी प्लेट में राइस भर के खा रहे हैं, तो ये आपका 80 grams of raw rice लेती है. 80 grams of raw rice. फिर आप उसको पकाते हो तो बॉईल करते हो, then this will become a whole full plate rice. And then if you are taking this much plate of rice, full plate, then you are having a 60 grams of raw rice. So I think most of the part is clear. The plates we have shown that you may have different sizes or different shapes of your plates at your home, but this measurement will never fail. And if you are a non-vegetarian, if you want to measure meat, or if you are a vegetarian, you want to measure the paneer, then you have to use your palm. So अगर जितना palm में आ गया, suppose this much meat, if it comes inside my palm, this is this much amount of protein you have to take in one portion. So portion size or portion control is the key to deal with any therapeutic problem or in the weight management. And moreover, as far as the liquid part is concerned, now this glass is 250 ml. The standard volume of the glass is 250 ml only. Now what we say when we ask you to have a portion control in milk or in a dahi, so we generally prefer 100 ml of milk at one time. So this much glass is 100 ml. This is the small one, 100 ml and 250 ml. Now sometimes we get confused ki how to make. Still we are confused ki how do I know ki my glass is 250 ml or no? You go to the market, or if you have 250 ml or 200 ml of Bisleri bottle, the small bottle, you pour the water inside the glass, and then you will get a 200, or you can write, first you see the label, whether it is 200 ml or whether it's 250 ml. Generally you get 200 ml. So that will be your 200 ml. So if somebody say you have to have a large bowl of vegetables, आपको बहुत बड़ा amount of vegetables खाना है, you have to have a large bowl of meal. तो वो bowl कैसे measure करेंगे? This 250 ml, I have filled the water. Now see. This whole 250 ml water goes in the large bowl. So what will be the capacity of bowl now? It will be the same the volume will be same, 200 or 250 ml. This was my 250 ml of volume. So my bowl contains 250 ml of water. So if I pour a dal, a dahi, or a mix of dal and vegetable bowl, so it will become a large bowl of your meat. So that's a basic trick where you can use your equipments, what equipment which nature has given you, the God has given you. So you have a cup to measure your अनाज. यहाँ पे आप अनाज measure करते हैं. You have a thumb, a length of thumb will measure a tablespoon. आपको अगर डोसा का बैटर डालना है, so you pour a dosa batter and then you measure. This much is 1 tablespoon. This much is 1 tablespoon. So you can use either of it. And if you want to make a roti, you use a lemon. This lemon will make 25 to 30 grams of roti. Larger the size, the thickest roti is 50 grams. If you're making a large size of moti roti, so that will be of 50 grams. And the quantity of katori, you put the fruit or a medium size of fruit inside. This is 125 ml. You can see it, you can dip it and you can see the level. Then this, you can measure it by watching it. And then dry dal, वो हमने बता दिया कि दाल को भी ऐसे ही मेजर करना है और आपको अनाज को भी ऐसे ही मेजर करना है. एंड लिक्विड जो मिल्क पार्ट है वो हमने 250 ml को मेजर करना है. दिस इज योर सिंगल डे सर्विंग. तो हमने एक टाइम में कितना लेना है. पोर्शन इज व्हाट यू आर टेकिंग एट वन टाइम. इस टाइम पे मेरी प्लेट में क्या है, दैट इज योर पोर्शन. तो आपको एक टाइम में 100 ml दही, 100 ml milk or whatever you are taking in a liquid form, that will be the 100 ml. So your plate is ready. So this is your whole controlled portion, full plate, where you can get all the nutrition, where you can satisfy your satiety level. आप इसमें बहुत देर तक full feel करोगे. आप इसमें वेजिटेबल का एक बड़ा बोल जो मैंने आपको बताया था, जो 250 ml का बोल है, वो आप इसमें वेजिटेबल्स में डाल सकते हैं. So thank you from my side.
Thank you, Dipali, for making us understand the very simple technique of keeping the portion count in check, because as these days everyone is at home, we really need to keep a watch on our portion size. And as we are Indians, we really don't give much watch on it, but we are sure that after this session, everyone is going to look out for the portion size. The way you have explained with the use of the palm and the God-given measures. So thank you for the quick tips and techniques for making us understand. We have many questions coming in, so I will just take the first question. So can you again tell us about how to measure the portion of non-veg?
Non-veg, okay. See, I have this palm. मेरी ये palm है, तो जहाँ पे मेरी finger stop हो रही है और जहां पे मेरे ये रिस्ट है वो शुरू हो रही है, दिस मच पोर्शन. तो अगर आपका जो मीट है या आपका चिकन है या आपका पनीर है, वो इस पूरे बॉक्स के अंदर आ जाए, तो दैट इज योर सिंगल पोर्शन ऑफ अ नॉन वेज.
ओके.
और यू कैन मेजर इट विद अ डेक ऑफ कार्ड्स. कार्ड्स होते हैं आपके पास जो आप ताश खेलते हैं, तो दैट जो उसका मेजरमेंट होता है, डायमेंशंस होता है, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 100 ग्राम ऑफ योर नॉन वेज पार्ट.
ओके. एंड हाउ टू मेजर अबाउट ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड नट्स?
ओके, ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड नट्स वही सेम है. जैसे आपने यहाँ पे डाल लिए, तो आप ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड नट्स को भी इसी के अंदर डालेंगे. बिकॉज ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड नट्स आर लार्जर इन साइज, तो वो आपके जो पाम के जो कप के अंदर है, दैट विल कम्स आउट टू बी 10 or 15 of nuts. That is roughly it will be a 10 gram of nuts. So then
once we keep our fist, we make a cup of our palm.
Yes, you have to make a cup.
Yeah, after making the cup, उसके अंदर जितना रहता है उतना ही. We are not supposed to make a hip of it.
No. We have to make a, see, cup का मतलब है उसकी गहराई, उसमें वॉल्यूम. इसका जितना वॉल्यूम है, सी V shape. So इस V shape के अंदर जितना आ जाएगा, that is your portion of the nuts.
Right, because nuts are all favorite.
Yes.
Okay, so they will definitely find out the way out for enjoying their nuts.
So you don't have to pick the nuts like this.
Yeah.
Take it like this.
Right. And the next is how much of servings of roti or rice an individual must include in his one meal?
See, one meal may you can take you can take a combination of rice and roti, or you can take either roti, total roti, or a rice. So if you are taking rice and roti, so the thing I have shown you, the plate I have shown you, this much of rice and one roti is sufficient. If you are taking only roti, then 2 rotis, that is 60 grams of roti, 30 plus 30. And if you are taking only rice, then a half plate of rice will be sufficient. Half plate means this much.
Right. Right. And how about ice creams, as we are in summer? So is there any portion size control that we can keep for ice creams?
Iced tea.
Ice creams.
Ice creams, okay. So ice cream maybe, see, when you get a box, simple method hai कि you always go for the bricks and the tumblers. So don't eat from the tumbler. Okay, take this much quantity of ice cream inside your katori. This is 125 ml of katori. So you can take this ice cream inside this and have this, and don't go for another. Don't be greedy then. Okay. You don't eat from the tumbler. The main thing is you don't eat from the tumbler.
Yeah, that causes overeating.
The nutrition facts also. जो ice cream के जो, because they are ready-made things, so you read the fact कि उसके पीछे कितना उनका serving size लिखा हुआ है.
Right. And how about bhakri? How to measure the size of bhakri if we want to roll it out? So जैसे आपने रोटी के लिए पेढ़ा बताया है, लेमन साइज वाला पेढ़ा होना चाहिए रोटी के लिए, या आटा कह सकते हैं हम. तो भाकरी के लिए भी उतना ही लगेगा या हम उसका साइज बढ़ा सकते हैं?
बढ़ा सकते हैं, बिकॉज इसमें आपके अनाज होते हैं. एंड यू सी वन थिंग इज, आपको अगर रोटी का, इसमें एक बहुत सिंपल ट्रिक मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. इफ यू वांट टू हैव द लार्जर पोर्शन ऑफ द रोटी, so knead the dough with the vegetables, with the onion, with the leaves. So when you add these things inside your dough, so you can take the larger portion. No.
Okay. And so basically, while making bhakri also, we can utilize any leafy vegetables or onions.
Yes. You can add the vegetables and you can have that.
That's the easiest technique, I guess, to increase the portion size. And as you had mentioned that for pulses, we need to take as per the cup size again. So if we are going to sprout it, the measurement will be the same, or how it will?
No.
Sprout.
If you sprout it, तो वो क्या हो जाता है, वो wet weight में आ जाता है. Then you have to take the wet sprouts, that will be 80 grams of sprouts. अगर ये वाली कटोरी है, तो that will be 80 grams of sprouts. तो उसका जो wet weight है, क्योंकि आपने उसको soak करके रखा है, it has all the water content, क्योंकि ये dry दाल है, इसमें कोई water नहीं है. So when you soak your दाल, तो वो उसका wet weight में आता है. तो ये full कटोरी of दाल है, कटोरी जो आपका स्प्राउट्स है, दैट विल बी 80 ग्राम. तो ये आपका एक सिंगल पोर्शन बन जाएगा. तो आप इसको इजीली, इतनी बड़ी कटोरी आप खा सकते हैं. और इफ यू ऐड वेजिटेबल्स, तो ये पूरा बोल खा सकते हैं.
And can we include breakfast cereal like in the raw format that you had explained? Like if we are having, for example, oats, or we are making a porridge out of it, so we will make it a dry weight, और उसको measure कैसे करना है? Dry weight में या पके हुए को measure करना है?
नहीं, वो सिंपल ट्रिक है, वो सिंपल है, वो आपको किसी भी फॉर्म में ले सकते हो. लाइक अगर आप एक पोर्शन खा रहे हो, तो ऑब्वियसली वो प्रिपेयर हो चुका है, सो यू आर हैविंग इट राइट नाउ, सो यू कैन टेक अ वन बोन. ओके, बट व्हेन यू आर सोकिंग इट, इफ यू वांट टू सोक इट, तो वही आपका सेम मेजरमेंट है, बिकॉज ओट्स भी अनाज में ही आते हैं, तो उसको भी आप अपने कप में डालेंगे और उसको जब आप उसको आप सोक करेंगे तो it will expand and then it will become a 1 cup
ओके
so वही सेम है वो तो आप इधर वे कर लो कोई सा भी अगर बनाने के बाद कटोरी में डाल लो या उससे पहले सोक करने से पहले उसको मेजर कर लो
खाली हमें स्प्राउट्स के लिए we have to be careful that if we are soaking 30 grams so it is going to get double so we have an extra allowance.
यस यस स्प्राउट्स में यस अगर आप दाल को भिगो रहे हो तो वो वेट वेट है वो अपना मॉइस्चर को करके वो डबल हो जाएगी जस्ट डबल सो आपको वो ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि अगर आपका फैमिली साइज लार्ज है तो यू कैन सोक इन अ लिबरल अमाउंट लेकिन अगर आप खाली आप ही खाने वाले हैं सो यू हैव टू बी सी अगर आप ये डेली प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो आपको एक आइडिया हो जाता है कि मेरे घर में इतना लगता है
राइट सो हम एक वैसे ही हिसाब से कटोरी असाइन कर सकते हैं
हाँ you can define a कटोरी कोई this कटोरी is for sprout this कटोरी is for my चावल this is for my oats तो आप एक लेवल एक कंसिस्टेंसी पे आ जाते हैं
और जो फ्रूट्स का आपने मेंशन किया था कि फ्रूट्स को भी हमने वो बाउल के हिसाब से ही लेना है तो वो भी चीज है वो हिप करके नहीं होनी चाहिए उसके सरफेस में होनी चाहिए लेवल में
नहीं इसमें मैं एक चीज और ऐड वही इसमें मैं एक चीज और ऐड करूंगी सी व्हेन द फ्रूट एज फार एज फ्रूट इज कंसर्न अगर आप डायबिटिक नहीं हो तो बनाना मैंगो को छोड़ के मतलब जैसे अगर इन मतलब ये देखो ये मैं आपको जो बता रही हूँ दैट इज अ जनरल गाइडलाइन सो इफ फ्रूट को हम थोड़ा सा लिबरल अमाउंट में खा सकते हैं लेकिन कई लोग क्या होता है फ्रूट्स नहीं खाते बिल्कुल भी नहीं खाते तो एटलीस्ट उनको ये वाला पोर्शन इतना पोर्शन तो उनको खाना ही है मतलब 100 grams ऑफ फ्रूट तो इट शुड बी इन योर डाइट और फिर उसके बाद आप ज्यादा में जाना चाहते हो तो दैट्स ओके दैट्स नॉट एन इशू अनलेस आपको कोई मतलब किसी आपके हेल्थ को वायद ना किया
ओके और आप एक बार वो दाल की कंसिस्टेंसी बता सकते हो लाइक 30 ग्राम जब कुक होके आपने वो बताया था तो दैट विल बी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड
सी दिस इज द कंसिस्टेंसी ये मीडियम कंसिस्टेंसी की दाल है
राइट
जनरली जैसे हम बच्चों को देते हैं तो हम थोड़ी सी थिक दाल देते हैं उनको गाढ़ी दाल देते हैं क्योंकि मतलब जो बड़े बच्चे हैं इन्फेंट बात नहीं कर रही मैं तो उसमें क्या होता है इतनी सी कटोरी में अगर मैंने ये दाल भिगोई अगर इतनी कटोरी में मैं थिक दाल डालती हूँ तो उसकी क्वांटिटी जस्ट डबल है इफ आई ऐड अ थिन दाल तो वो थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी और अगर उससे भी थिन दाल है एक पानी वाली दाल होती है जो हम जनरली एल्डर्स को या फिर बच्चों को प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं जो 5 ईयर से कम है तो उसमें हम पतली दाल देते हैं अदरवाइज जो हम लोग खा सकते हैं दैट इज अ मीडियम कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ दाल और वो उतनी ही 30 ग्राम्स ऑफ दाल में से ये बनी है
okay so as there are many questions coming up we will surely address them for the Facebook viewers they can post their questions and our expert will surely get back to their answering because as we are short of time I would really say thank you Dipali for making us understand the importance of portion size and the different ways in which we can check and recheck it
yes.
and to ensure us that we have a balanced meal. So on behalf of Just for Hearts and our viewers, I thank you from my bottom of my heart. So, and with this,
thank you. It was a great talking to you also, and I enjoyed very much. So it's like a very interactive kind of session. So I love this. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. And with this, I would also like to announce about our tomorrow's session. So tomorrow we will be having our expert Varsha Vartak who will be explaining us the relaxing techniques for relieving stress, and we will be coming from 3 to 3:30. So you can also join us from Facebook. With this, we will be also coming live today on YouTube at 7 p.m. So our very own Dr. Tejas Limaya will be guiding you or will be increasing your knowledge about the proteins and the role of proteins in our diet and diabetes control. So I will be glad to see you all again at today 7 p.m. On our YouTube channel. So thank you so much.